Good morning, friends. You must be aware that America dropped two atom bombs on Japan, one on Hiroshima and another on Nagasaki, toward the last phase of the Second World War. It led to large scale death and destruction, and Japan surrendered. Friend, the technology which is used to produce an atomic bomb is used for producing atomic power, which propels the wheels of industry and lights our home and do many positive things. Now, is nuclear science responsible for this destruction? Or the person who conceived atom bomb for ulterior motive? Friend, whenever a technology comes, this debate is always there, whether it is beneficial or it is harmful. Now today, we are facing a new technology developed by computer science, which is called artificial intelligence. Now people are concerned about it, whether it is going to endanger their future or it is going to be beneficial. Friend, if you want to understand implication of artificial intelligence on your life, this video will be very useful for you. Friend, I am Ramchandra Rai and you are watching Prayas Vikalp, a channel fully dedicated for development of your personality. Friend, I obtained the degree of Physics Honours from Banaras Hindu University in the year 1974, other two subjects being mathematics and statistics. Through this video, I am going to answer 5 questions which bother everybody so far artificial intelligence is concerned. I am going to do complete postmortem for your benefit. The first question, what is artificial intelligence? Second question, how it works and develops? Third question, what are its dark sides? How it will harm you? The fourth thing, can it be useful and how? And the last but not the least, what to do and what not to do. Friend, therefore, may I request you to see this video to the end to understand at least do and don'ts to protect your future. If you find this video useful, please share this video with your friends, relatives and others. Rather, I will say it, make it viral, being a hot topic today. And if you have come first time on this channel, please subscribe and press bell button so that you can get video which come in future. Friend, let us now discuss the first question. What is artificial intelligence? If you want to really understand the word artificial intelligence, you have to understand the word intelligence. And when I talk of intelligence, I am talking of human intelligence, our brain power. Friend, human intelligence consists of 3 types: mental, emotional and spiritual. Mental ability is measured through an indication called IQ, intelligence quotient. Friend, the mean IQ of the population is 100 and the standard deviation is 50. If you want to know the distribution of IQ in the population, you will come to know that only 2.4% people have IQ above 130 and above. Similarly, if you go down, 2.4% only have IQ below 70. That means they are not so intelligent, they cannot do many things on their own. They are dull. Coming down, 13.6% people have IQ between 130 and 150. That is one SD down. And similarly, in the downside also, 13.6% people have IQ between 85 and 70. Now the people left between the range of 115 and 85, that means mean plus minus 1 SD constitutes 68%. So this is the normal profile distribution of IQ in a normal curve. This is not a pattern of any specific country. It applies everywhere with some modification. Now you will like to know how the IQ develops. Unless you understand this, then you cannot understand artificial intelligence. Friend, whenever an individual tries to learn new activity, new task, new work, and make effort for it, do trial error, there is a new neural pathway is created in our brain. Friend, our brain works on the pattern of neural networks, which is a transmitter of information, etc. I will give you an example. If there is a road going and there is agricultural field by the side, and if you take a shortcut and start going through the agricultural field, you will find after some time there is a temporary path visible. Same thing happens in our brain also, which is called new neural pathway. And a new neural network is created through the process of sprouting and branching. These are two activities. They are all biological. So friend, this way, as you go on learning new things, you go on becoming more intelligent, more mature, your brain keeps on developing. This is so far IQ is concerned. Now coming to emotional intelligence. It simply means that you are able to recognize your own emotions, emotion of others, understand them, and behave in a sensitive manner so that to get desired output. This intelligence is very much required for working in group, social settings, organizational context. Now the third type intelligence is spiritual intelligence, spiritual awareness, understanding. It is a filter through which you know what is wrong, what is right, what is ethical, what is unethical, what is the cause of human existence, what is human rights, what is human dignity, what is good for people, what is wrong for people. But friend, I will tell you that mental ability is the base of everything. So, imagine a person who has very high IQ, maybe 150 plus. He is emotionally also intelligent, able to manipulate people, use them for his advantage, he can do that. But if he is spiritually deficient, he is a danger to the society. He can become criminal, manipulative, smuggler, and can do frauds. Now, you have understood what is human intelligence and what is its construction. Now let us go to artificial intelligence. Artificial word itself denotes that it is not biological, it is artificial, human created. It is product of human brain. But the difference is that human brain works on the basis of stored information, whatever is inside, with the help of neural network. Artificial intelligence works on the basis of database pattern base which we feed in that. While there is a capacity of human brain about what information it can store, there is no such restriction on the artificial brain. Any amount of data and data pattern, response pattern, etc. can be fed. So, whatever is the AI tool, it is trained on the basis of data and response pattern. And as it learns from that, it goes on becoming more intelligent, more intelligent, more intelligent. So there is a competition between human brain and artificial brain, artificial machine, learning machine, and with time, the artificial brain will march ahead of human brain because of unlimited database and understanding. So friend, you have learned that what is artificial intelligence, and you have also now known that how it works and how it develops. Now the third question whether you are bothered about is, what are its dark side, negative impact it can have? Friend, the first impact, and that is very serious, is that since it can handle many creative works also on your behalf, for example, GPT can write text for you, create a script of your video, essay, write programs for you. Advanced version can order provision and food for you. Do many more things which you are doing currently. There is another tool like Mid-Journey which can fake anybody's image which will look identical, copy the voice also. There are many more tools like that. That means AI can take over those jobs also which are creative beside those who are retail. So AI is going to take away bulk of the jobs. At least half of the job will go away. Now friend, countries which are facing problem of unemployment will face this problem in a much bigger manner. India is one of that. And if there is unemployment, there will be crime. And if you feel that a person does job or profession or industry just to earn money, you are wrong. Work has many more functions to play. Number one, when you learn some new task while in job, etc., through the process of neuroplasticity, your brain develops, your IQ develops, your personality develops, which will not happen if you don't have work. Second thing, you don't work alone, you work with people. So your emotional intelligence develops, social skill develops. You know how to behave, when to behave, and whenever there is a conflicting situation and you have to decide, spiritual awareness is used. So in that fashion, your IQ, EQ or SQ, all the three develops. Also, whenever you are doing some work and get some good result, you feel happy, you feel honored, self-confidence improves, you become motivated, you have a high opinion about yourself. Abraham Maslow gave the need hierarchy theory. He says first physiological needs are met, then social needs are met, and self-actualization. So, work has a very definite role to play in our life, not only money. So, if a person don't have work, he will feel lonely, he will feel worthless, he can be depressed, he can be aggressive, he can be a criminal. If his mind is empty, he has nothing to do, he will do something which may be wrong also. And we are facing this problem in every country, crimes are increasing because of unemployment. So this is danger number one. The danger number two is that it is going to create serious level of economic inequality, because people who are developing AI tools require money, Lot of investments are flowing. Capitalists are ready to capitalize on this opportunity, become rich. So they will develop, they will market, they will sell and earn lot of profit, huge profit. It is a God-sent opportunity. And people who are going to use it for industrial purpose, they are also going to cut their caste by removing people from job. They will also become rich. Their wealth will be maximized, which is central theme of capitalism. Now the people who become jobless will become poor. So economic disparity will deteriorate, become acute and lead to similar problems like social tension, crime, etc. Now, the third danger, which I have already discussed, but I want to repeat it, that since you will use AI tools liberally, you will not learn new things because there is no need to learn. The tool will do for you. So your brain development will stop. That means AI is going to hack the entire IQ distribution pattern of the population. This is also very serious. And last but not the least, since it is a intelligent machine having IQ much more than a human intelligence, human brain, but low on SQ, it will pose serious danger to the human society. It can do crime, it can kill people because it has no sense what is wrong, what is right, but it is super intelligent. So friend, this is the dark side. But there is a silver lining. There are certain tasks which AI can do and should do. They are called 3D works. That means dirty, difficult and dangerous. Take for example mining, septic tank sewer cleaning, working in a radioactive atmosphere, doing repair work on high-rise buildings from outside, cutting and welding of iron, loading, etc. Working underwater. Like so many works are there which are maybe dirty or maybe difficult or maybe dangerous. Delegate all those work to robot enabled with AI. Let them do. But we should remain the master. Don't create a robot which is more intelligent than you and can harm you. Second thing, cyber crime detection and control. Give this job to AI enabled machine. Now data size has become so large, entry points are multiple, it is beyond human capability to control and detect. So let machine do it, but your machine should be intelligent, more intelligent than the machine which is hacking and trying to enter. Because it is a fight between two machines. So this work can be done. The third area where AI can do wonder is health sector. It can diagnose your diseases. Different type of report can be created, and it can predict what element you may have or will have. And based on those reports, physical consultation can be done with the doctor either through telephone or through video. So it is going to help a lot in the health sector, especially remote areas on large scale. You can meet the deficiency of medical professionals through AI tools. And the next area is education. It can give high quality education on mass scale to everybody without any limit. So friend, it is not that everything is dark about AI, there are positive side, but we must understand and regulate. Now the last phase of my video, what should do, what you should not do. Friend, number one, AI threat is not local, national, it is international. AI tool created in USA will harm Indians. So there has to be international AI protocol through the cooperation of all the countries together. United Nations can take a lead, and it should be clearly defining what should be developed, what should not be developed. And if a person is trying to develop something which is prohibited, he should be punished. Second thing, every AI tool should have a unique ID, and its developer or the head of developing team should also have a unique ID based on face recognition and fingerprint, not OTP based identity. So that in case any AI tool is developed with perverted interest, the developer is arrested and punished. Friend, using AI tool which has a nefarious intention is also a crime. So it should be well defined in the law, and he should be arrested and punished. Now, it is not possible unless cyber police have expertise on AI on a high level. So they should develop, they should recruit people through lateral entry or whatever and try to control the situation. So friend, what I mean to say that everything is not wrong about AI. Something is wrong, something is right. And one thing more, as an individual, you should not use AI tool for sake of using it. Use it only when it is unavoidable. A question of life and death. If you use this left and right, people will create and sell you. And you are going to contribute to the problem which I have discussed. So please be careful while using any AI tool in your day-to-day life. Don't encourage unnecessary uses. Friend, with this I will conclude my discussion by telling that AI can be a boon or curse depending upon how we handle it. Friend, if you have any value in this video, please share it with maximum number of people. Make it viral. Also, please patronize me by subscribing to my channel so that you can get good video. One thing more, always try to read, listen and see good thing only, so that you become better day by day, your personality becomes better day by day, and chances of success become better day by day. Thank you very much for giving us so much time, and I'm sure you will get some benefit out of this video.